Hey lawyers, today I'm showing you some lawyer video samples from our recent campaigns. These are videos that we use for creating successful ad campaigns, and I'm hoping that it's going to inspire you to either want to work with us or just do some of this yourself. Today, I'm going to dissect these videos so that you'll know some of my techniques. One of the lawyers was filmed in person. I went to their office. I built a little green screen. I stayed in a hotel nearby. It was totally fun. And the other one, I did build them a studio way back in the day. But this lawyer, the second lawyer, just doesn't like being on film that much or filming. So we did it with a Zoom call. And the jury's out about how that looks. I always like professional video a little bit better. Anyway, I'm up here again in the mountains. I'm still here, just totally enjoying being a little bit off the grid, swimming in this icy cold lake. And the ability to, reach out to you guys in person is so cool. By the way, last week I offered sorry, my hair's blowing my face. Last week, I offered you guys our services for $900 a month, and then we pay the platform $350 and the another platform $15.99 monthly to start running you guys some ad campaigns with no monthly arrangement. So you can just bail out anytime you want so that we can get to know each other. It's funny because in years gone by, I literally charged $3,000 a month for our services for the exact same thing. But it's getting actually that I can automate things and make it a little bit easier. So it's way cheaper right now if you want to start working with us. I totally understand lawyers are so skeptical because you guys have snake oil salesmen climbing all over you that sell you stuff that doesn't actually work. But these are campaigns that we do that actually work. And I'm so grateful when I get a new client that really resonates with us and that we can all get along and work together and be happy about the work for years to come because it's like awesome when we can bring you guys the ideal clients and you can love our work. That's my favorite. Anyway, I'm going to stop with the sales pitch now and jump into today's content. Okay, so here's Mike, and this is a semi-truck accident lawyer advertisement. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is the content elements, and then we'll talk about how we shot this video and some of the tips and ideas there. So first off, I have Mike empathizing with what the person is going through. So let's look at that.
Most people don't want to hire a lawyer. You've been in an accident. It can be scary.
Meet attorney Mike Glisson. Okay, so right here, when I say meet attorney Mike Glisson with my voiceover voice, right there is where you would have your call to action. So right away, the person has been empathized with. They don't want to hire a lawyer. Then you're going to tell them what it is that you're offering. So right here, you'd say, call now for a free consultation, or you'd say, visit the website or go to the landing page, or whatever your call to action is in your strategy. The next thing we do is we answer a top question that they might be having. Why do I need a lawyer when I've been in an accident with a truck?
In an accident like this, insurance companies for semi-tractor trailers, unlike a regular auto accident, they will actually go out to the scene. You'll see adjusters and lawyers at these scenes. I represented the family of a man that was on a motorcycle and a semi crossed in front of him, and that very day the lawyers were there collecting evidence at the scene. So there's an army of people working against you, and you need an excellent army yourself, a great team, a law firm that has all the resources that can help you and fight these companies.
We answer questions like these and more. So in this section where I say we answer questions like these and more, that's where, again, you'd want to put up on your screen your call to action.
And file your lawsuit right away to preserve evidence, to get everything that you need to protect your case while you're trying to recover from this accident.
I always give like another quick tip at the end. It's almost like a movie trailer where they suddenly give you that last stinger. Okay, so this video with Mike was filmed on a green screen in his lunch break room in Illinois, and I stayed there for a few days, and we shot about 30 frequently asked question videos all in one day. So I took one day to build the studio, one day to shoot Mike. It took us about 3.5 hours. And then the final day, I kind of took down all the gear and helped them pack it away, and then went back to California. Um, these videos are lasting us actually for more than a year. We've been using them for about a year and a half. In post production, this background is actually a Mid-Journey generated image. I told Midjourney I wanted a photographic looking image with natural light that looked like a modern courtroom. In post production, I move him slightly one way and the background slightly another way, gently, to make it feel like the camera is moving.
Lawyers at these scenes. I represented the family of a man that was on a motorcycle and a semi crossed in front of.
Okay, so here's Bruce. He's the other lawyer. I'm going to show you a video of this guy, Bruce, who I just adore. He actually filmed his on a Zoom call because he just didn't feel like doing the whole rigmarole. And I will let you know how these turn out. But right now, this one is not the ad I'm going to use for advertising. It's actually just meant for their website. So let's take a look at this one. Meet Bruce Millar at the Millar Law Firm, AtlantaAdvocate.com, where we answer questions like these. How can an insurance company undervalue my claim?
One of the questions that I often get asked as an injury lawyer is, what strategies might an insurance company use to try to undervalue or diminish the value of your claim? One of their favorite tactics is to argue that the cost of your medical care was inflated. That is totally unfair, because the average person like us, we do not set the amount that our doctors charge us. But an insurance adjuster, on the other hand, might be arguing that procedure that you had was overpriced. It's absolutely out of your control. And they will try to then offer less money, saying, in the adjuster's opinion, that $40,000 procedure should have only cost $20,000, leaving you potentially on the hook for the full cost or half of the cost that they didn't pay.
We answer questions like these and more. Need an injury lawyer? Visit us at AtlantaAdvocate.com or call Bruce Millar, 770-400-0000. It's easy for the person watching to know what they're supposed to do. And basically, you're just giving them value. You're helping them to qualify themselves for them, so they are an educated potential client and they can self-select you and your practice area. Okay, well, I hope you found that interesting and maybe inspiring to start some of your own video production, or maybe you're so inspired that you want to reach out to me. I am still out here on vacation, so if you want to reach out to me, you're probably going to find me out swimming in the water somewhere. But you can text me, text me 415-302-6991, or you can email me, Mary@GoMediaMarketing.com, if you're interested in working together. Again, it's only month to month, so if you don't like it, you want to bail out, just bail out. But the other part of that is that advertising does not usually work when you try to only do it for 1 month. It really, after doing this legal marketing for over 15 years now, it really takes about 6 months to get the whole thing tuned up and rolling to where you're really bringing in ideal clients and everything about it is running really smoothly. So Rome was not built in a day, and neither is your legal marketing. Anyway, I hope this has been a great, interesting video, got you inspired. And if you want to reach out, do. If not, I'll just see you guys next time in the next video, probably next week, unless I am too far out in the water to be able to film. Okay, thanks so much.